When everything is white, glimmering silver white.
Welcome to our 2022 Christmas Decorate with Me for the living room, and today we will be targeting the mantle. This is episode 3 of our Christmas decorating ideas for this year. If you like videos like this, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
Stay. There's joy in the air. Family.
In our previous video, I showed you guys how we decorated the living room Christmas tree with my daughter or with my kids, and in this video I will be doing the mantle. So if you haven't checked out the previous video yet, right after watching this video, please do well to check it out. I'm going to link it down in the description box below. It was so much fun. I can't wait for you guys to see what we have in store for this one.
The light with glimmering silver white.
So I got this garland from Amazon. The only problem I had with it was it had the blue ornaments on it, and I wasn't going for anything blue, so I decided to take it off. Now, if you ask me why I got it if I didn't want it, it was because it was quite affordable compared to the others that had nothing on it, and this one had blue and white. So I decided to take off the blue and then keep the white ornaments and use it like that, and it was a 9-foot. I'm going to link it down below if you're interested in getting it. I checked out, trust me, I checked out a lot of deals, but this was the best. This was like the best of the best with good reviews as well. I just don't want to get something from Amazon that has really bad reviews. So yeah, I'm in love with it. I really, really like it. So this garland is pre-lit, and I like it for that. You don't necessarily need to buy extra lights. It takes 3 2A batteries, and I use 2 of the garlands on my mantle. Each garland is 9 foot or 9 feet, and I use 2 of them. So overall, I'm going to use 8 feet garland on my mantle. The only problem I have again with this is the fact that the color of the light is not that great. I do not like that color, and the light is not that bright. So I'm thinking to add clear lights or daylight on this mantle or on this garland. But apart from that, oh my goodness, I just love the garland so very much.
Warm laughter and white smile.
It's time to set the mood. I decided to go in with some soothing Christmas music to set the mood for this decoration process and to make it easy and enjoyable for me. I was happy the kids were really not here. They were at school, and I was happy because I had time to myself, and decorating is very therapeutic for me.
Around midnight.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing, because I am doing great. As you can see, my big bump is growing bigger and bigger every single day. If you're new to my channel, on this channel I do all things home decor, interior decorating ideas. I try to inspire you in one way or the other to decorate your home and look luxe for less. Here, I try not to spend so much, but I try to create the best experience for everyone. And if you're enjoying it so far and you're not subscribed yet, please do well to hit the subscribe button and of course the notification bell, so you're always going to be notified every single time I upload videos like this. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you've been here, thank you so much. I really, really do appreciate you. Your constant support has made me and has brought me this far. Thank you, thank you, and thank you.
Giving up hope when the snow started falling.
At this point, all I'm doing is just fluff the branches of the garland just to make it look nice and fluffy again. And of course, because it was parked in that tight box. So yeah, you can see just one, that's just one of the garlands, and it looks so long already. I could have actually just used one and then decorated and accessorize it for it to look full, but I wanted to have like a whole draped look, and that's why I decided to go with two, and I liked the outcome. So if you're enjoying this so far and you haven't left me a comment, what are you waiting for? Please leave a comment, tell me something nice, tell me something beautiful. I would love to see it. And if you have not liked the video, give me a big thumbs up. Of course, comment Christmas down below. I would also love to see that comment. Thank you so much for always supporting, and keep on watching to see the end results. So at this point, I brought the second garland, but I noticed that the way I placed the first one, it wasn't going to be even. The second one was going to be too long and roll on the floor on the left side. So I decided to try to move the first garland a little bit and then put the second garland. The essence was to have the two garlands overlap in the middle, hence making it really thick in the middle, and then drape on the sides. But I wanted the length on both sides to be very similar. So even if they cannot be sisters, I think they could be cousins, right? That's what I was trying to do. Trying to create that symmetry between the two sides, but create a full look in the middle. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've got
So right now, just by repeating what was done on the first garland, I'm actually just fluffing this side just so that it gives it that full look and saves it from the tightness that was in that box, and just bring it back to life. That's what I'm doing at this point.
storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend.
So I have this stray glamorous flower that has nowhere to go, so I just decided to fill in that little space on the mantle and mimic the ornaments that are on the garland.
I've longed for this moment.
And this beautiful champagne crystal small size chandeliers, I'll use them on both sides of the mantle, since I just have two and they were gotten from at home stores.
Everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by.
More crystals for the mantle, just to give it that glam chic look that I was going for.
I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated.
So for a better flow and a more chic look for this living room, I decided to go in with this table runner that I got from Amazon earlier this year for a Valentine's Day tablescape, and I really like it because it kind of gives a good flow from the tree to this, because the tree has some white ribbons. So yeah, that's what I was going for, and I just decided to create something really nice. I thought it was going to be longer, but even without that, we're going to use what we have to get what we want. So if you're watching up to this point, thank you. It shows you're enjoying the video. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please do what to subscribe, and of course hit the like button and comment down below what your favorite part of this video was. And I just decided to go in with this gold to break the white. I don't know how I feel about it, but you guys tell me or give me your thoughts about the gold on the mantle. But that's what I was going for, and yeah, please be ready for the detailed tour of the mantle. Thank you all so much for always supporting your girl. I really do appreciate you, and I love you all so much.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but his